All right, YouTube, we're back. It's Leonard here. So just a quick repair here on my 2018 Ford Raptor. This is the IWC check valve that seems like to be an issue when you had that grinding sound in the front. I'll try to get that video linked up with this one. But essentially it's this valve, and you can reference other videos too. You pull this apart, you pull this off of here, it hisses, pull it off of there. That's what you got. Here's a new part. Now the one thing I did look up was on the forum, on one of the forums, it did say that the new part is the AD. So this is the correct part and the new part is blue. So I was questioning that. Hopefully this is correct. And we'll be good to go from there. So I just wanted to give a quick update. This is, we are in June of 2022, post-COVID, post-COVID. Okay. Thanks for watching.